What's up, guys? This is Casey from Casey's Customs, and in this series, I am building a hot rod truck for under $1,000. In this video, we stain the bed, we clear the body, we get a bunch of new parts, and we also go over the budget. Let's get going. So, we got the bed done. It looks great. The only problem I have is it looks brand new. Brand new wood doesn't really kind of go with the rest of the truck. Everything's kind of patina and looks old. So, we're gonna set it on fire. Use fire on wood. It kind of gives it like a dark, rich charcoal look. And I think I'm also gonna try and heat up this piano hinge to see if I can't get that chrome to change colors. Or I'm gonna paint it black, because right now your eye just shoots to it. It's, you know, it's too shiny and it's right in the middle of the bed. Let's give it a little bit of a dark look, and then we're gonna stain it with used motor oil. I had a bunch of people comment on my last YouTube video. Used motor oil kind of gives it a real dark stain. It also, you know, it looks used and weathered and patina. It should go with the truck perfectly. So, let's light some shit on fire and then we'll put some oil on. Okay, fuck it, this is gonna take forever. I need the big torch. Now we're talking, baby. What does this do? Ooh! This takes longer than I thought, and it also smells like burning wood, obviously, but I just wasn't expecting that. We're gonna have to time lapse this shit, baby. Okay, so people on YouTube said do used motor oil, and my grandpa used to do this to his trailers forever ago, and I don't remember exactly how it looked, but I figured if I did the burn method first, that would at least darken it up, and then I can kind of be cute with the oil. You don't have to dump a ton on there, just kind of put a little bit and go from there. Let's see, here's our used oil bucket. Boy, that is black oil, whatever this came out of. Put it on there, let it soak, maybe a little bit more, and then let it go off. Okay, we got the motor oil down. I put a bunch of it on. I'm gonna let it sit for like an hour, let it soak in real good, and then we'll come in here and wipe it off. Hopefully it stays that dark, because it looks perfect right now. It actually kind of matches with the truck perfectly. But we'll see what happens when we come back.
Much later.
So it's been about an hour, and I got a couple spots that are completely dry. I'm wondering if maybe I just need to let it sit overnight and it'll just all soak in. I'm gonna try to wipe some of it away and we'll see. But if it starts changing the color drastically, I might just leave it overnight. Oh, never mind. Okay, we're good. It don't change anything. Cool. All right. We actually got a lot of it off, but the color didn't really change. I like it. I'm gonna set it outside. Let it soak outside and see how much it changes. If it lightens up, I'll do another coat, but it's pretty damn good right there. I never really thought to use used oil, because that's free. I mean, we didn't touch the budget, which is nice. Bought me a cute little handle for $1.59 or whatever. But it'll make lifting this hatch a little bit easier, and it doesn't look too bad. I don't think I'm gonna give this back to my wife. I like it. And it makes me feel pretty as shit. Goes with my eyes. Okay. Perfect. Awesome. Also, how good did that wood come out? I mean, that is amazing. Some of you guys on YouTube told me to use old motor oil, used motor oil. Came out perfect. The burnt, I did the burn method first, which gave it some character, but man, that looks really, really good. And I got $0 in that. It looks awesome. Super, super happy. What we gotta do now is all of our rust is done. Well, it's not done rusting, but it's where I want it. So we need to lock all this in with some clear. Throw a couple cans of satin clear on it, and then I got some emblems to put on. This is a very exciting box to open. I had somebody reach out. He does custom car emblems. That's actually his name on like Instagram and TikTok. Custom car emblems. His name's Andy. He said he can make emblems. He wanted to know if there's anything I needed done. I said, is there anything you can do with that? And I sent him a picture of what the stock emblem looked like. I didn't even have one. The one I had was broken in pieces. But I took a couple measurements, sent it to him. This is what he cooked up. Oh my God. Now, if you don't follow the build, you don't realize this is actually custom. This model is normally an F100, but we call it the F1000 because I'm on a $1,000 budget. So these are custom made, but they look exactly like the stock ones. Oh, we got to install these right now. Damn, that's cool as shit. How good does that look? Oh my God. I love it. Check this out. I got another one, and I think I might put it right here.
No.
What?
No, this is the bottom.
Are you sure?
Hey, look how sharp the corners are. Look how sharp your corner is here.
Oh, yeah.
No.
No, you're right. Why is it that sharp? Yeah, it's weird. Oh, yeah, look at the windshield wiper.
Mm-hmm. There you go. Don't that look like that's the bottom
Oh,
one?
yeah, it does. Hold on. Where's our... There it is.
You gotta come my way.
I thought it was the wrong windshield for a minute.
God damn it, don't fit.
Well, yeah.
All that scratchy chop.
It's almost like 2.5 inches off.
It's like it's there almost.
Long angry line later.
So, good news. I got the back glass in today. So, we got the back glass. We still got to cut the windshield, obviously. But the back window I didn't chop. I left it the same size, so that'll just pop right in. That'll be easy. But I figured since it came in, we should go over the budget. I added the glass. It was 80. You know, the 60 for this, 20 for the windshield. The wood. Had 68 in the wood and all the screws and shit. And then I had $8 in clear. Total spent is $1,672. And now some of you new guys might say, well, he's calling it an under $1,000 build. He spent $1,672. Well, that's why you sell all the shit you don't need. We have currently sold $858 worth of stuff that we didn't use between the Lincoln and the stuff that I cut off of the Ford. The biggest one being the dash. We just sold that. That has taken, it was on eBay for like 4 months. Finally sold. Took a huge chunk out of the budget, which was great. So we take our 1672 minus 858. Current total $814.28, and we have glass. There's a couple little knickknacks we still got to do. I don't have window cranks and shit. I need to get those in this driver's side door. A couple little things like that. We still have to make sure that we can chop the windshield. We're gonna go over that on the next episode. Hopefully we'll get some glass installed. But for $800 on an actual build, this is really great. I'm very happy. I'm very excited. I wasn't sure we were gonna pull it off a couple times, but really coming out good. And I mean, we built this for $800. This isn't some truck I bought and then I just had to put, you know, spark plugs in it. This is a full build. So she's coming along. I'm liking it. Oh, one more thing I wanted to say. The rear end, it's a one-wheel peel rear end. It's not a posi. I want to weld it to make it a posi, but then again, some guys were like, don't bother doing that. It's kind of a pain in the ass having it locked all the time, you know, whatever. At the end of the day, this is going to be sold. I'm not keeping this. I already have too many toys as is. Also, I want to sell this one and start another one, and we'll do this whole process again. But I want you guys to tell me what you think. I get 10,000, 20,000 views on these, so leave a comment. Do you think we should weld the rear end or not? I know, granted, whoever ends up buying it might not be the person that commented yes or no, but I do want to know what people think. So, should we weld that rear end and make it a posi? or should we just not worry about it and let that be the next guy's problem? Or just not care, so people don't care that it's a one-wheel peel. It's not that big of a deal. It'll do burnouts all day, so let me know what you think. Thank you guys very much for watching. Super excited with how the bed came out. Like I said a couple times in the video, people on YouTube told me to try used oil, and it really looked good. I was not expecting it to do that, so very, very happy. I am so stoked about these emblems. They look so good, and if you look at what a stock emblem looks like, it looks exactly like it. So I'm so happy how that came out. The truck is really moving along. On the next episode, we're going to tackle the glass. Hopefully we're going to be cutting the windshield ourselves. If not, we might have to call our glass guy and see what it's going to run us. Not quite sure on that just yet, but I know we can get the back installed ourselves. So stay tuned. Hopefully we don't break a windshield and ruin our whole project budget. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff they tell you to the end of videos, and check out some more of my other videos. Peace!
Sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting now. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, must have heard around. How that sound, yeah, that sound good.